delivered to the Army, accepted in about 1909, and Lieutenant Falloy, who would be the little man over here, was invited by the Army to accompany it and learn to fly it and see whatever else he could do with it. And we find that he gathered a group of about 9 mostly enlisted men. There was 1 civilian in the group to assist him in what they were trying to accomplish. Actually, Lieutenant Falloy was given credit for being the only military flyer who learned to fly by correspondence with the Wright brothers. A man named Glenn McDowell, who we find was my mother's first cousin, was one of those 9 people, and he and the civilian in that team were charged with building and attaching a pair of wheels to the airplane to get away from the catapult method of takeoff. And so Cousin Glenn is responsible for putting the first wheels on an airborne aircraft. And this is the aircraft.